Making good parts is very important to me. For each job, you have different tooling, different setups, and you gotta figure out which way is the best way to run your parts and the safest way. Before, I was barely scraping by, but since I became a machinist, I've done nothing but have growth. I'm able to take care of my family now, and I don't have to depend on anybody but myself. I feel very honored, successful, and I think my kid feels the same way about me. I wouldn't be able to help him with his college if I wasn't in this trade. I love my job, actually. My favorite part is working with the program participants because it's very fulfilling when you can teach them something and you know that they're getting it, and then go out and they're able to get a job or a career. It's almost better than having my own success. If I'm not working, I'm out on the bike. The Orion Riders is a group of men and women. We'll go on charity rides. We donate to different charities, food banks, and so forth. We're like a family here. I would hope that I can teach women that they don't have to sit on the sidelines and do traditional women jobs. There is a place out there for a woman in a traditionally man's world, and that the rewards that they will get are great. My name is Miley Johnson. I am a single mother. I am a mentor. I believe in giving back. I am a machinist.